So I get asked all the time, what's the deal with writing books, Ron? And, you know, in 2016, I had an agent of mine come to me and say, hey, what is it that you do to sell so much real estate? And I said, give me 2 weeks. I'm going to write this down. I'm going to put a little paper together and send it to, to everybody on the team. So I started in that process, and it made me think back to some of the things I did, some of the ideas I had with branding, and how to really stand out so that everybody that knew 10 agents would think of you when they were ready to buy or sell. Some of those ideas worked really, really good. I had 10 deals by my third month. I was back on track financially, and never slowed down since. And this book was #1 on Amazon in the real estate section for over 6 months the year it came out. It made the Inman top 10, and really gave me a great feeling to continue to write. I've committed to writing 4 books. The second book just came out in the past year. I spent 1,600 hours on, getting up at 4:30 in the morning. Wanted to beat actually having our baby. But this book, I wanted to write a complete guide from start to finish. If you're a real estate agent, whether you're just starting out or you're not at the right place or you're thinking about starting a team or actually joining a team, I interviewed over 25 top producing team leaders, real estate coaches. I quote some of my most favorite writers and things they've written about that have helped guide my career and our team, and put it into what I felt like was a great sequential presentation of how to focus on you as an agent, and then think of your business as a fine-tuned race car, and all the things that you need to do in regards to processes and systems and structure and tracking and et cetera. And then how to build a team, or what to look for in a team if you want to join a team, because joining a team is a great place to be on a team that's run properly. And for me, writing books is a way to give back to agents in our business and to help them find that straight line of success. A lot of us try a lot of things that don't work, and our route is kind of, we make a whole bunch of different turns until we get to that level. And for me, it makes me feel great to share ideas that are proven ideas from millionaire real estate agents and coaches, of taking somebody right out of the gate or whatever part of the business they're in and getting them straight to success. So if you want to learn more, click on any of the links. You can find them on Amazon. I'd love to give them to you. I can't, just because Amazon is our publisher distributor. But what I can do is guarantee 100%. If you don't like either book, just shoot me an email and I'll give you a 100% refund. And hope you like them. Take care.